Now let us do one problem using the potentiometer. So you have a primary cell, you have a secondary cell, primary circuit is providing a current I, you have a variable resistance whose value is 5 ohms, and the length of the wire is 100 centimeter, and it itself is having 5 ohm resistance, and the cell is balanced at 75 centimeter. Now what you have to find out is how much is the EMF of the cell. So when you use the potentiometer principle, EMF of the cell is equal to potential gradient multiplied by balancing length. How to find the potential gradient? You must know what is the current flowing multiplied by how much is the resistance per unit length. So resistance per unit length multiply the balancing length. So it is 75. Now how much is current? How to find the current through the circuit? You take the primary circuit, EMF is given as 6 volt, EMF by the total resistance you have to take, that is 5 ohms, which is the variable resistance, and 5 ohms, which is the length of the wire is having, so that will be equal to 10. 0.6 amperes is the current which is flowing. So you got the value for 0.6 ampere current multiplied by how much is the resistance per unit length. See, the total length of the wire is 100. So 100 centimeter is having a resistance of 5 ohm. So 1 centimeter will be having a resistance of 5 by 100, which is equal to 0.05 ohms per centimeter. So resistance per unit length is 0.05 ohm per centimeter multiplied by the balancing length. In this case it is 75. So when you multiply 0.6 times 0.05 times 75, you will get it as 2.25. So EMF of the cell is 2.25 volt. So how did we solve this? In the question it is given it is being balanced at a particular length, but nothing is given about the current which is flowing. The EMF of the main cell is given. So first you find the current, write the potentiometer equation, that is EMF of the cell is equal to potential gradient multiplied by the balancing length. What is potential gradient? It is current through the circuit multiplied with resistance per unit length. What is current in the circuit? Current in the circuit is total EMF of the main cell by the total resistance. You will get 0.6. What is resistance per unit length? The length of the wire AB is having a resistance of 5 ohms, means 100 centimeter 5 ohms, 1 centimeter 0.05 ohms. So you multiply that, you will get at the potential gradient. You multiply by the total balancing length, you will get EMF of the unknown cell equal to 2.25 volt. Thank you.